Hello everyone, welcome here. So in this lecture, using ChatGPT help to learning nested loop in Python. So let's see here. Nested loop is nothing but a loop which is consisting another loop inside the particular any of loop, maybe while loop or like a for loop, any other loop which are having inside one more loop will be called as nested loop. Let me ask that question to ChatGPT. What the wonder we will see. Let's see now. Explain nested loop in Python. Very simple questions I am asking to the ChatGPT. If you need more elaborated questions, you just try to ask it. See, nested loop in Python is a loop inside another loop. It means that inner loop runs completion for every iteration, the other loop like outer loop. Yes, also there is a two names called like inner loop, outer loop. Yes, for the examples also we can use it. In general syntax, as you seen that for loop is having another one more loop inside, which is a continuing from here. This is the basic outline and the idea how the implementation of nested loop will be written. So the sequence of first loop will continue and iteration, and it will be entered into the second loop. Then it would be like once the inner loop is finished, then it will comes to the outer loop, then it will be execution will be continue, so on. Now here is a super easy example which is a given for us to referencing for I in the range, and it is entering into the J loop. J loop is going to be printing. So ij, which is a combination, it is giving us in a multiplication table. How super example. Take a copy of this example and sure to paste, and here you may observe this is a loop statement. Once it is entered, earlier we have written a statement here. Here one more, another inside loop is in iteration, it's happening. Then here like a print of I into j, like a multiplication table. Shall I run this? Yes, absolutely. Process finished. Exit with 0. Code means there is no errors in what you have written inside the code. So we have collected from the code from the ChatGPT is preparing a code for us to understand very easily. This code, whenever you need to implement and apply in your programming, which is a real world project, to ensure to you will be get master in very less time without any other help. I hope this is a very super easy to creating of loop statements. If any of a query to use to this chatbot, you can try your query and ask ChatGPT to understand. Thank you.